Okay, so this is my code for the messenger assignment. So first thing we do is import all the things we need. So sys, socket, getopt, OS, and threading. We're going to need these later. Then we do a try except for the L command, similar to the previous input program assignment that we did. But we are going to be looking for the L command. Then we do argc to set the length of args, and then run some tests. If argc is less than 1, then we don't have a port number, so we ask for the port number and then exit. If we get a port number, we set it to the int value given in args 0, and if argc is greater than 1, then we set the server to what we have in args1 or localhost. Then we set the socket default timeout to 5, and then we check the options. So we're looking for L, so if our option is L, then we are dealing with the server socket. So then we set up the server socket, doing all the binding and listening, then we accept. If we don't find an L, then we're dealing with the client. So we set up a socket for that and connect to the server using the port number. Then we make the send function, which takes the variable message as a read line. And so while there's a message to be read, while true, we send it with the encoded message, and then we reset for another message to be sent. Then we make send thread to call the send method and start the thread. Then we do a try except for a 2 print value for what the client's receiving. If there isn't a value, we set it to false, but while there is something to print, then we print it out using the decode, and then we set up another try to receive another message. After that, we join the threads, and then close the client, and then we check our options again. If it's L, then we close the server socket, and finally we terminate the whole thing with OS exit.